Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Etsy listings to Shopify using Excel and CSV. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to your Shop Manager. Select the Listings option from the menu. Choose the listings you wish to transfer. Click on the Export button. This will generate a CSV file of your selected listings. Download the CSV file to your computer. Open the downloaded CSV file using Excel. Review the columns in the file. Adjust the column headers to match Shopify's requirements. Remove any unnecessary columns that aren't needed for Shopify. Ensure that product details such as title, description, price, and inventory are included. Update images by adding direct URLs for your product images. Save the edited file in CSV format. Next, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Products section. Select Import to begin the transfer. Upload your prepared CSV file. Follow Shopify's prompts to complete the import process. Review the imported listings for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to product details in Shopify. Finally, publish your listings to make them live on your store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.